Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today, a quick one on how to sharpen a blender. Maybe yours is just simply old and doesn't work properly anymore, or you tried to blend something that was a little too hard and you ruined the blades on the bottom. But this can be easily fixed with some cheap tools. I'm gonna use my Lansky sharpening stones today, but you can also use a sandpaper on a stick. I would recommend a coarse 220 grit, that should be fine. To get started, we need to disassemble the blender. I'm just gonna take off this bottom part here. If you have a larger normal blender, then take out the knife compartment, remove it from the cup, and then we can get started. So because we can't disassemble this, we need to get in there with a stone, but as you can see, this always wants to turn. So you can see on the back, there is the shaft that's connected to the blade. And I'm just gonna stick my finger in there and then hold the shaft steady with my finger so it won't turn on me. And then this is a bit of an awkward position, but it shouldn't take a lot of time. And just like that, we are already done. It's a bit awkward to hold it because you need to brace yourself against this, but if you're not filming it, then it's a bit easier. As you can see, on the inside we sharpened all these blades. These weren't destroyed, so it was a bit easier than if you had nicks in them. But just keep going, be patient until you get most of the nicks out. If there's like one really deep one, it doesn't matter that much. But if it is like a bit sticky sharp, when you run your finger across it, then you're completely golden and you can start reusing your blender again. That was it for this video. I hope you found it interesting and I could help you. If I did, then consider subscribing and giving the video a like, and then I will see you on the next one. Bye bye.